Hi guys, so today we're going to be taking out these braids here. It's time to go. These braids, I got them past my bum. I'm 5'7". I'm going to insert a clip so you guys can see how they actually look. They look bad now. Guess what? For these little they're supposed to mimic like curls. They were like, I'll say $12 for a pack, and they're such bad quality. So these didn't last that long at all, which is okay. We live and we learn. But we're gonna take these out today, guys, and we're gonna talk about like my hair and braids and like how braids can be used to grow your hair, my experience, and do I like these and all that. But I do on my channel have a video of me maintaining these braids and taking care of them. I stopped maintaining them, taking care of them. That's why it's time for them to take out. But I'm definitely gonna link that video so you guys can see that video. But yeah, let's start taking out these braids here. So all I'm going to use right now is just scissors, and that's all you guys are going to need. As you guys can see, I'm having a lot of, my hair is slipping. My hair is slipping and I have a lot of buildup. Only thing I don't like about braids is the taking out process. I told the hairstylist to make them like medium size big. I still think they're small. And the reason why I wanted them big, because when it was time for me to take them out, I wanted it to be like a 30-minute job to do. And like these things take me 10 years to do. I don't know why. But I just want to hurry up and take these out. Yeah, so let's start doing this. Yeah, but if I ever do these again, I'm definitely... See, this is supposed to mimic the curl like at the bottom there. But all the curls were supposed to look like this. But I noticed the hairstylist like separated some of the curls. So it just looked really bad. I don't know where my hair stops. I'm going to cut all these first like short. And then we're going to take them all out together. I think that'll be easier to do it that way. Quickly do this. And usually when I do start... the cow. And usually when I do take out braids, sometimes I do cut my hair. Let's be real. I ain't gonna lie. I remember when I used to do my hair in braids so small, it used to take me forever to take them out. And this is when I was younger, and I didn't mind it because I was like, I like braids. I don't have to do my hair. It was so easy for me to just wake up and style my hair anyway. But now since I'm older and I'm like really busy a lot, it's just inconvenient to take them out. So this is how it looks. Okay, whoa, that's still tall. That's still long. So that's that side. Guys, so let me know. What do you guys like? Oh my, the cow is annoyed today. Let me know what you guys like. Do you guys like longer braids, shorter braids? Do you guys like bigger braids? Do you guys like skinnier braids? And let me know why you would prefer like skinnier braids over big braids, or big braids over skinnier braids. I like big braids over skinnier braids because it is time consuming to do this. But yeah, so for elementary school and a good portion of high school, I wore these braids. Like I said earlier, is because when it was high school, I was doing track and field, in and outside of school, and I was just really active doing a lot of sports. So I was like, I ain't trying to do my hair. It's either my hair is going to be in like a ponytail every day and looking messy, or I put braids in and make it look like I care about my hair. And that's really it. And again, it will save time. So I would just wake up in the morning. I'd wake up in the morning, style my hair quickly with the braids, and then go on about my day, which I liked. So I used to have braids in all the time. But the thing is, I used to have like blondish, golden blonde braids. I'm going to put some photos throughout this video to show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, I used to wear golden blonde braids throughout like elementary school and high school. And I remember in elementary school, I used to get every color. I used to get purple braids, full black. I used to wear golden blonde, but mostly my go-to color was that golden blonde color, and I loved it. So anyways, having these in my hair grew my hair so much. Okay, so that's how it looks now. Anyways, having these in my hair grew it so much that to the point that my hair was like so like out there and long. And yeah, I just felt like this like braids, twists are such good protective hairstyles to grow your hair, because you're not touching your hair all the time. So you not playing with your hair and touching your hair all the time is going to promote your hair to grow more. And guys, it works. Trust me, it works. I have a lot of videos on my channel talking about like ways you can grow your hair, so you guys definitely watch that, especially if you guys want a big huge afro look, everything like that. Anyway, so yeah, it definitely grew my hair a lot and I loved it. Imagine you going 3 months, 4 months, 5 months without growing, I'm touching your hair at all and it's just growing and growing, and you're just adding moisture into it and promoting more hair growth. Your hair is definitely going to work. And I know a lot of people saying like braids won't work in their hair because their hair is too thin and it'll break it. That's mostly for people who like perm their hair and relax it. But if you're definitely wanting to grow your hair, if you are natural and you want to grow your hair, I would definitely go here. I think the longest I had braids in my hair for was like 6 months. I know, it was crazy, but yeah, I could see a difference. Look at this. This takes so long to take out. I'm gonna get a comb. I should probably get a comb. That'll be way faster. I have to be careful with the scissors because the scissors can chuck out my eye. As I was saying, yeah, 6 months was the longest. Comment down below what was the longest you ever had braids in for your hair. Usually I used to touch up my own hair. Like if the braid was slipping, I'll take it out, put it back in. Guys, like it works. I feel like any protective hairstyle, because braids are a protective hairstyle, any protective hairstyle will grow your hair. Let's see, did I cut my hair? No! Any protective hairstyle will grow your hair unless you don't add moisture into it. You guys have to be adding hair oil into your hair. So my hair grew so long and nice and everything, and I used to in high school around grade 10, 11, 12, I used to, no, mostly 10 and 11, I used to start doing braid outs, okay? In grade 10 and 11, braid outs, leave my hair curly, braid outs. I dyed my hair blonde, I dyed my hair orange, ginger, I dyed my hair brown, I bleached out my hair multiple times, right? So it's like I just loved my hair. Oh my god, look guys, that's dandruff and I have elastics in my hair. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna do that after, but no, I'm gonna do it now because it's gonna take too long after. And then after, I was like, okay. I was bleaching my hair so much to a point that I was like, okay, why don't I see any curls in my hair anymore? So then I cut all my hair off and then I grew it all back. It's so weird how like all the dandruff goes to like this part where the braid stops. My scalp wasn't really itching me that much, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the rest of this and then leave like 4 and then come back and then finish this talk while I'm taking out my braids. I feel like it would be faster that way. I got a comb, so that's better. I just don't want this video to be an hour long. Guys, I am back. Look, this is how my hair is looking for now. So I only have 2 left like I told you guys I was going to leave. And I was at a point now, and I'm even at the point now, like if I cut my hair to take out these, I'm okay with that because I just want these out. I'm okay with it. We all get to the point that after a while of taking our hair out of braids, it takes such a long time that we're like, okay, I'm just going to shave off all my hair for all these to come off. This way is very fast, but I just find it a little bit difficult to do on myself. So I decided to go with my hands. That's just what I'm used to. This protective hairstyle is really good. I like it. And I just don't have the time, patience, and tolerance, especially because I have to be reviewing hair and I like changing up my hair a lot. And I just feel like my hair, like my scalp itches me after a very short period. Using this, even though I oil my hair and everything. Guys, I am so sorry, the cow in the background. I live in the country. So the cow is just moody today. I don't know what's happening. This cow never makes so much noise. And I legit try to cut as close to the thicker part of the braid because I just feel like everything comes out so much more faster. See, as you guys can see, it like comes out so fast. I just find it a little bit harder once I reach the top. So this is how it looks. So what I do is, as I showed you guys, is has an elastic, and that's really how it looks. And as you can see, there's just, this is how dandruff, I know. My scalp is not even that dry, but this is how it looks. I feel so good to take out these. As you can see, I have shrinkage in my hair because my hair was in braids for so long. My table is packed with hair. Look at this. It's all, like, basically all of it. I can actually feel my scalp, guys. My hair feels so soft. I love it. So you guys can, like, watch me brush out my hair if you want. This took me, like, an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to take out. I don't think it took 2 hours. I'm just joking. Maybe an hour and a half the most. So when you do take out your braids, you're going to experience some shedding. So I'm just combing out my hair. And legit, I'm gonna wash my hair. So look, you're going to experience hair loss. This is like a lot of hair that came out, which is okay. Like, your hair's gonna fall out. Your hair was in a protective style, right? That doesn't bother me, to be honest. It's okay. It's mostly dead hair that's coming out. Oh, also the hairstylist, she put like rubber bands in my hair. I think she did that because it would be easier for her to grip the hair. Usually when... That was the first time I ever got rubber bands in my hair. Usually people would not use rubber bands. That's my hair. They would just do my hair. So that was an experience. I guess it was just easier for her. I put too much gel in my hair that I'm starting to get like a thinner hairline. Okay, so basically a lot of hair is coming out of my hair. This is how it looks. I only had this hairstyle in for like a month, so I feel like my hair looks the same length as it normally does. I love it. It feels so soft, especially at the roots. It's just so soft. But what I'm going to do now is basically wash my hair. I hope you guys like this video of me taking out the braids out of my hair and me talking to you guys a little bit about this type of hairstyle and would I recommend it, which I do, and it does help promote longer and stronger hair growth. So I would recommend people, if they want to think of a protective hairstyle that you don't have to do your hair a lot, it looks good and your hair will grow, definitely braids, any type of braids or twists. Now I stopped with the box braids and now I'm doing like wigs. Yeah, so if I ever decide that I want to do this hairstyle again, it's going to be like jumbo, like clockwise braids, like really big braids in my hair, because I don't even like that size either, even though it took like really fast for me to do it. I don't like that size. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I feel like it looks the same. It looks good. You guys go get it. If you guys are thinking about like, oh, like should I get box braids, go get it. But the only thing I would say is the taking out process is annoying. It's going to take so much time. So if you can try and get bigger box braids, that would be good, unless you're going to get someone to help you to take them out. Okay, so I'm going to go and wash my hair. I just love them. I love them. So yeah, that's really it for today's video. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything. And subscribe to my channel because I do a lot more hair videos on my channel here, so make sure to have a look. I'll link some for you guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Au revoir.